Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Cassie and get the gift from the Bubble Up the Jump puzzle to complete the Astralis and Forest quest in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to show you where you can find Cassie. Okay, you need to go to this area. Just follow me, and Cassie is right here. Wait, this way, and this is Cassie. And from here guys, you can find the bubble. Okay, you can go to this way and you will see the bubble right here. So this is the bubble. Okay, and you need to get the gift from the bubble. You can jump to pop the bubble and you will get the gift. And after you pop the bubble, you need to go back to Cassie. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the gift from the bubble. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!